Hello everyone, this is third session with Mrs. Sobhagya, who is having overall 8 band. First of all, we should go with this and speaking and listening 9 band, writing and reading 7 band guys. So double 7, double 9. Okay, I'm right here. Okay, so we are having another candidate with this gentleman. Your good name?
Astha.
Astha. Okay, just talk about yourself.
Sir, I'm Astha. Very intellectuals. I hail from Sirsa in Haryana, adjacent to Punjab and Rajasthan.
I really like this. Okay, well crammed stuff. Okay, so what is good at Haryana?
Sir, well, I don't know Haryana much, but I like in Tara Bhutta in Haryana.
Shrine of Tara Baba you really like. Okay, so I think you must be going there for Bhandara and all.
No, sir. I don't like to visit that place that have too much of crowd. Yes, sir, that's why I don't visit on. If there was weekends, then I visit, sir, to only travel and see what's going on.
Okay, so do you like to travel to some religious places?
It has to be a very specific kind of religious place. Like Byas, there are a lot of open fields. Like I would not prefer to go to a religious place if it's domed, like if it's encased, like if there's a boundary. I prefer not to go to that religious place. If it's a religious place with open fields where I can just walk for long, that's my idea of a religious place. I mean, I think a park sometimes can make a very good religious place more than a mandir can. I might be saying too much, but I personally think that can also.
Okay, so opinion. Okay,
Yeah.
so that's really nice. One more thing. Have you ever got stuck somewhere in the crowd?
Stuck somewhere in the crowd.
Yeah.
As in like stampede, like physically?
Yeah, definitely.
Yes. Yes.
So what happened?
So like I was at Salasar, Balaji's Dham, and there was like me and my parents had just visited for the sake of like we were passing by, and literally my dad was like, let's go there. We took a turn and then we were going to Salasar suddenly. We reached there unknowingly what day it was. I think it was a Tuesday or a Wednesday, sir, I'm not sure. That day is supposed to be one of the days for Balaji, and there was a humongous crowd there. And that day I got to know something called VIP Darshan. Very unique concept. I personally didn't expect. I had never seen something like that in my life before. Like that time I was very young. I didn't know what faith or anything meant. But that time, I remember at least 2 to 3 hours being able to move only one curve in the line, and it was very slow. And it was very hot and warm. It was 12 o'clock in the afternoon. It was perfect for a very tough afternoon. But other than that, that was very challenging. But the reward of it was very nice. So the crowd was challenging definitely, but I wasn't really stuck. It was moving, but at a very granular pace.
Okay. Yes, from you. Specs. Do you consider that is due to studies or that is due to watching TV programs or getting stuck to your cell phones?
Definitely. By watching TV, sir, I watch too much TV at home, sir. Even I can watch, if my mother don't keep come and stand, can come, I will watch 10 hours, 12 hours continuously TV.
So what do you watch on television?
Sir, I watch Punjabi movies, songs, and Sab TV. I like Tarak Mehta on Sab TV.
How do you watch songs? You listen to songs, no? Songs are...
We can see video also, na?
So you watch?
Okay. I'll talk to you. Okay. So why Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma?
It's a funny show, sir.
Okay, so it means is that your favorite character among them?
Sir, Anjali. Matlab now it's replaced, but I like that.
Previous Anjali you like. Okay, what's the problem with new Anjali?
Sir, it's opinion, sir, and I like her get-ups, and that's why I don't like new one.
Okay, that's nice. So one more thing is there, that is what about Jethalal?
So first of all, it looks like you.
Oh, kya baat hai. That looks
In
like
pre-
me.
sir, last when I was back in 2019. One student told you like that you look like
Yeah,
like
definitely. I just got this compliment, guys. Then I lost 14 kg of weight. Okay, so I lost that Jethala.
That's why I think it looks like you, but I don't like much. But it's the main part, you can say that, of the show, but I don't like much.
Okay.
Jethala.
So what about the wife of Jethala? Deya Bhabhi.
Absent now. She's
absent.
absent.
What happens?
She had left the show because of her family matters or family issues, and maybe she wants like more income, but they're not giving. That's why.
Very good. You're connected to that.
Are you from the Jethalal family?
No, sir.
Very good.
I want to know
So means
all of them.
Deya Bhabhi comes from your family?
No, sir. I didn't told like this, but I had listened from somebody. That's why.
Very good. So how do you gather such information?
Sir, from YouTube, there are so much of videos like this. Why she or he left the show, and why if someone is absent in the show, then they told that they had got corona.
So
in 2 days.
don't you think like you're just wasting your life?
No,
First of
sir.
all, you watch shows, and after that, you just watch the videos also related to that show.
Sir, I don't want that. But they came front, and then I watched it. How we also know the reason that why they are not coming. No? We came to know that why they are not coming. Before
Okay,
watching
so
that, we came to know.
means how long do you watch YouTube?
Now that's a question because see, don't mind me. You take 10 hours or more or
Sir,
15.
in 9th, 8th, but today, currently I'm in 10th, so that's why my parents do not allow much time.
So if you're in 12th grade,
10th.
if you get to 12th grade, you watch 12 hours.
No.
Right? Like it's not growing with you, right? Please cap, this is not good for your health. Especially that family, trust me. It will.
I don't watch sports.
You will forget your own family.
No, I don't watch, but I think that I can watch. I live in hostel.
Sir, I'm genuinely scared, sir.
Okay. Means the thing is there, you watch Tarak Mehta, then you watch related video to Tarak Mehta. So don't you think like apart from Tarak Mehta, there is another world of success?
Sir, specifically, I don't watch that video. If recommendation, it comes in recommendation, then I watch only.
It's
So
coming in your recommended
do you know
videos.
why do you get recommendation? Because you watch these things.
You have an addiction problem.
I live in hostel, but in holidays I watch.
Nasha Mukti Kendra.
I watch in holidays only, and holidays are 2 months. Right? And in 2 months we have to do holidays homework also. I have to come here also.
Yes, stop watching TV is what I'm saying. Stop watching TV so that you can do your homework. That's it.
Okay, so what can you do to watch TV programs?
I can do anything.
Can you leave your family?
No, family is the sir.
Means they give you something.
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, they had given us birth, and they had given us this much of facilities. So why we left family? Sir,
Okay, so
because of them also.
due to
only left.
facilities, you don't want to leave your
No,
family.
sir. Because of
Very
affection.
good,
That's
very
why.
good, very good, very good. So do your parents know about this? Like due to these facilities, you are with them.
No, sir. Sir, I had already mentioned that I live in hostel, but in holidays I watch to this much of TV, but not 10 to 20. If it's not possible.
Very good, very good. So Bhagya, so this is better character than you. Okay, earlier we were thinking like you are the only character with us. Okay, so how do you think about this girl now? I mean, what's your opinion?
Don't want TV viewers.
No, Maze, that is the opinion. You can't stop it.
I listening to you, I have seen 10 hours of Tarak Mehta now. Like I'm getting flashbacks, like war flashbacks. Like I've gone through some traumatic.
He also knows
I know.
why Deya Bhabhi is not coming.
Now you know what? I'm personally afraid. Now what do I do with this info? Now I know why Deya Bhabhi is not on.
No, she had left the show.
No, that we both
Thank
come
you.
to know
Now
about
I'm
this.
saying now we both know this.
No, everybody sitting in the classroom knows about it. Why?
Now, like,
Earlier we
does-
never knew Deya Bhabhi is coming or not.
And now does this information help my digestion? Like I'm trying to still figure out. No, but don't get me wrong. Fan bases are good. Have have idols, have shows to watch. It's
Sir,
interesting.
I'm not a fan, but I watch.
Thank God. Thank God she's not a fan. Okay, thank
If
God.
you
Thank
are,
God.
you are an air conditioner of
Okay,
that show.
very good.
You're
So
not
do
a fan.
So do you consider?
You're not a fan. You're an air conditioner. You're two. You're two.
Sir, I don't watch only Tarak Mehta. I watch many serials.
Okay, very good. So, okay, very good. Which is another serial you love?
Sir,
Sir,
let's-
7.
I want to listen. I want to listen. Very good.
Sir, on Sub TV, Katilal and Sons 7:50. That I watch, sir.
Which one?
Katilal and Sons.
What is that?
Sir, in that two, one father have two girls, and her father was of old thingy, and he thought that girls will not stand in front of boys, so that's why.
Very good. That's why you watch. Until they stand, you will keep watching.
That must be a boring show, watching a girl.
Why?
No, that must be a very boring show, like watching a girl stand.
How much you have developed your world, but today you can't see that women are standing.
You meant in a social stature. Say that.
See,
No.
the thing is,
Watching girls stand in front of boy. I'm like, that must be one boring story.
No, in today's world, no, girls will not get. How much you say that girls are voting equality, but not they are getting
See, now you're saying social, political
So
situations
that's
of a
why I
woman.
was in that period also that for social political.
yes, it's okay. He just misspelled you. He just misspelled you. Okay, he was just pulling your legs, nothing else. Okay.
But sir, if I pull her legs, how will this girl able to stand in front of boys? Sir?
Okay. See. One more thing is there. That is, do you consider girls are equal to boys?
I consider even girls are more better than boys.
More better. First time I have heard. Girls are better. I have heard.
Better in itself is more. Like
more
better is
Yeah.
Don't go in grammar.
double
Okay,
E
very good. Don't go to grammar, guys. It's okay. We'll not go to grammar. Okay. Yes. So why means do you find girls are better than boys?
Sir, girls know everything. Even boys
Girl-
don't.
oh, yeah.
Girls know how
yes,
to cook.
Yes. No. Basically.
I can
camera
cook way
to me.
better than
Okay.
you ever will in your life.
Girls know everything due to gossips.
No, sir. You are totally wrong.
Backbiting.
No.
Backbiting is also there, guys.
No.
They are having the best information due to their network.
Why?
If they are getting better news, then also you came to know that
They have their own friends as well.
if you don't know that in your neighborhood that somebody has died, then how will you go to them and ask her what happened? If you don't came to know that
very
who
good.
is
So,
only told you.
okay, so means in this segment girls are better. Okay, what about the other segment?
Other segments, sir, in all segment girls.
Like in kitchen?
In kitchen also girls are better.
But I have never heard about the best chefs. They are females.
Sir, if there are 50% girls, 50% chefs are males, now then 50% chefs are females also. Okay.
Okay, means very good. I really like it. More than 70% females are chef. Okay, not good one.
How could you say you
But
have
there
tasted
are-
their food?
but
You have tasted their food.
But there are few chefs. They are males and they are really pretty much popular.
Sir, how you know that they had made tasty food? You know
Okay,
that.
so I just watched some programs and they are just invited there. Okay.
They are saying because they are money. You are not getting
Okay,
the food to taste. Now, then
very
how
good.
you say that they are tasty?
Sanjeev Kapoor is there. I have heard about him. Okay, any female that is equal to that guy.
Pankaj.
Huh? Like she's like
What
Female
Pankaj?
chef.
I know
First
first female master chef.
First one. That's why she is popular. I think she's first one.
yes, sir.
Okay.
See,
First one, you said 50% male, 50%.
First one. Now they are.
Giving as a 5 seasons of MasterChef and 3 female winners.
Sorry.
5 seasons.
How about I hold the camera?
Yes. No. Carry on. Okay. Yes. So, do you also cook something?
Yeah. I wouldn't like to boast, but I will bake a cake tomorrow in 1 hour. I will give my property in your name. If you can bake a better cake than that.
I don't know how to bake it.
Exactly.
Even I don't know how.
So
to
when you
bake
say males can't cook, before knowing males, what age are you, if I might ask? 24.
Oh, that's why you are cooking now. Now why
Very good. That is really nice answer. You means in next 10 years. She will learn.
Like, okay.
You have to cook after you're married.
Okay, guys. Okay. So now, guys, we are having the best session with these people. Okay, just see these people first. Okay, yes. So, means this is one of the best shows I have ever attended. Okay, and the participation of yours, especially. Earlier, I was appreciating him only. So, we are also having amazing way to express yourself. Very good. So, guys, thank you very much. और really amazing show it was. मिलते हैं फिर ब्रेक के बाद.